that's my happy face, enjoying my own solitude. And I think solitude is a moment to reconnect with myself and reflect and rediscover my own company. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm excited to share with you one of my favorite ways to unwind and connect with nature, which is reading under a tree. So let's get cozy. I'm always fascinated by this intricate detail of nature, like the pattern on a leaf, the color of a flower, and just simply the songs of birds. There's something special about reading in nature, you see. As I was sitting on this rock under the beautiful apricot tree, the rustling of the leaves, like, and the chirping of birds, and the warmth of the sun on my face, which all combine, I think it creates this perfect ambience. It feels so calming, and it really, I feel like the nature quickly calm the mind and really soothe the soul. Although I'm getting lost in the pages of this book, and yet I'm also deeply present in this moment. The words on the page are coming alive in this beautiful setting, I think. So the book I'm reading is the name is Under the Blue Sky, a Tibetan reader. So I think this book is a collection of fiction, non-fictions, and poems, and it kind of provide an alternative window to the individual and collective Tibetan psyche. Mostly Tibetan stories, people in exile and in Tibet, and it also includes the writing by the 14th Dalai Lama as well. And also it tells about the stories and the poems which address pertinent contemporary questions and heavy terms that bombarded every Tibetan's each day about exile, home, loss, identity, resistance, and return. It is a beautiful literature of human experience, I think. And that's all for today. And thank you everyone for joining with me on this cozy adventure. And don't forget to take a moment to appreciate the beauty of nature and get lost in a good book, I think. And see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.